Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Delaware Bay, including Brandywine, Shoal light, East Point, 14-foot bank light, and Miah light until 4 p.m. At 3:01 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater over East Point, moving northeast at 30 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near over East Point by 3:10 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.